Hi everybody, I'm Greg, and I wanted to share a solution to a problem I had recently. Everybody I told this about considers this thing ugly, but it works, and it really does the job and saves us lots of resources. So, first of all, a virtual env. A virtual env has a few directories. The most important and interesting are the bin directory, where all the scripts, binaries, and wrappers are, and the directory where all these Python modules live. Those are the two important things. All the rest is basically just filler and support stuff. But there's a problem, because when we're doing massive shared hosting, we've got all the customers using all the same Django, which they have to download over and over again. It's megabytes of stuff. It's hours of CPU time spent just downloading and unpacking and doing all this thing over and over again. So we decided to do something about it, and basically designed chaining of virtual envs. Well, designed is a big word, because all the things just come made with Python. Because well, the simple solution is just, okay, show of hands, who heard of PTH files? Okay, most of you actually. Okay, I didn't quite expect that, because many people I talked about, they didn't actually even heard about PTH files. So, okay, everybody actually knows what they do. So you just put a path to some other site packages directory in a PTH file, and it basically becomes attached to your virtual env. Then every single package you're looking for and is not found in your virtual env, then Python looks for it in the parent virtual env. So we just made one big virtual env with some Django version, the latest 1.5, for example, and well, we no longer have to install it hundreds of times. So anybody wants who wants just to use Django uses this virtual env, and if somebody wants to customize it, just installs stuff in their own virtual env, which basically overrides the stuff we provide. But one thing is we have to patch the scripts, the wrappers that I don't know. I think pip or whatever generates them, because this is how an entry script looks like vanilla as it is generated during installation. It has two things. First of all, it's got the path to the virtual env hard-coded, and then it has the version hard-coded. So we can't actually use this script, we can't link it or copy it to the user's virtual env, but we have to patch it just so it looks like this. So that we have the path to the user's virtual env embedded, so we use the right virtual env when running gunicorn, for example, and we also patch out the version requirements, because otherwise, if somebody, for example, upgraded gunicorn, this script would stop working, so their gunicorn wouldn't boot at all. So we had to patch it a little and just remove this version dependency. Surprisingly or not, it works all the time. It doesn't doesn't explode with some parse errors. I really wanted a version out there. So that's basically it. The code is up on GitHub as of a few minutes ago. It's basically a simple shell script that has about, I don't know, 30 lines maybe, but does the job. And it even if you don't do massive hosting, if you don't have hundreds of Djangos installed side by side, it can even help you in your development environment, because if you've got all these versions of your app, just installing the same dependencies over and over again is it's tiresome, time-consuming, and basically a waste of time. Yeah. Just use it. It's a simple shell script, basically almost foolproof. Thank you.
Thank you.